Welcome to Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. My name is Jim. Let's get building!
Welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim, and today's going to be a second unboxing of the Glory Days of Drag Racing group build for 2026. I got another Camaro kit. This one I hope is okay. The box is a little squished, but we're going to do an unboxing now, and hopefully I'll be able to get started on this build. All right. We'll bring it to the overhead and we'll open her up. Here we go. Okay, so this is a different kit. The other kit that I had was a this is the other kit, 70.5 Z28. This here is the, says Z28, but with the full bumper, which is what this car looks like. I don't have that, I call it a cheese grate grill, but we'll see what's inside. All right, turn her over and open it up. And let's pray for the best. I think this is a newer kit. I'm going to take the body out first, which I don't usually do, because I want to make sure it's okay. Since the last one wasn't. Okay. Not only does this body look better, it doesn't have all the flash that the other one had. Comes with the tub already in it. I'm going to leave it in there for now. Yep, this body's perfect. All right, let me set that aside. Move the chassis out of the way for the 47. Let me take all the bags out. So remove the decals first, or second. I'm expecting very similar, yet they're basically the same. Two sets of stripes and lots of different license plates, some AMT logos, gauges, Z28 emblems. Yeah, they're nice. I probably won't be using any of them, I don't think. Let's open up this bag. Should be a fairly fast unboxing. Alright, this tree has the hood, part of the front suspension, and center console. Now, as far as the hood goes, I got this Pro Stock scoop. I don't know if you can see it or not. It looks pretty good. I got it off of eBay. Should be perfect on the hood, just like that one. It should be perfect. Yeah, that's cool. Back panel, it's the front clip, front spoiler, rear spoiler. This car has neither one of those. Rear leaf springs, drive shaft, rear differential. I will not be using that. I'll be putting a Ford 9-inch in it. Sport mirrors. That car doesn't have any mirrors, so that's probably how it's going to stay. Seats. I'm not sure what seats I'm going to use yet. I may just use the factory seat. A-arms, rally wheels, or sport wheels, I think they call them. I think they're called rallies, yeah. Open up this one. All right. This has the lower panel for the grill area. Some more front end parts. Another part of the differential. Weird. Exhaust, I won't be using that. Steering wheel, I'll probably use this steering wheel. Door panels, rear seat delete. I call it a rear seat delete because I won't be using it. Door panels are nice. Engine, there's the dashboard, pedals. 350 small block Chevy, firewall, radiator and radiator support, nice. Not bad. Not too much flash on them. Actually, they're fairly clean. Glass I won't be open. I'll leave that in the bag and the taillights. Let's open the chrome tree. Alright, so the chrome wheels, they're nice actually. 5-spoke wheels. I like them. Grill, pair of bumpers, and a shifter. Pretty sparse chrome parts. They're pretty nice. Now, let's see, open the tires. Let's see what they look like. I won't be using these tires, but they look pretty nice. The older kid didn't have any markings on. These are nice. These are Goodyear tires, wide ovals. Very nice. I will use them on something else. All right, now for the other parts. Here's the wheels I got for it, and tires. They're Krager Super Trick. They used these back in the day. Aluminum wheels. And these are on 15x6 drag slicks. Alright, going to finish up on this video now. I'm pretty excited now. I got a good body to work with. And with that, I'm going to say peace, take care. Thanks for subscribing and commenting. And I'll be updating the 47 shortly. The body's ready to go into primer. And chassis mocked up over here for that one. But until then, take care. Happy modeling. Have a great weekend. and I'm out.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.
They forgot about the time when they were young, about the things they did and the songs they sung. But now we got some for both young and old, mama. That's rock and roll. Oh, rock it now, yeah.
Well, my boss, you gonna rock around, rock the night.